What's up, people? Like and subscribe if you want to see me expose more bullshit. Right. World's Strongest Man, Tom Saltman, misses European title due to C19, but his brother wins his place. So imagine, right, you've trained hard for almost a year, yeah? Or however long it is he's trained. But he's trained extremely hard, right? And imagine it's your passion, it's your dream, you know. But you can't compete in it because you've tested positive. You've tested positive for a cold. Yeah. A flu. Because this is what this is. Let's face it. Alright? Him and his girlfriend tested positive, but she is a little bit worse than he is. He's got a cold, his words, cold-like symptoms, yeah? But she's a bit worse, so she's probably maybe got flu. But yeah, it's labelled as the most deadliest virus in humankind. Yeah?
Why? It doesn't make sense.
Worse than the bubonic plague, worse than the Black Death, anything, worse than any smallpox plague, worse than that. Yeah, this is what the C19 is. Yeah, it's worse than smallpox and the bubonic plague put together. Right? This is why he has to miss the World's Strongest Man. Imagine that. Imagine. I mean, just think about that.
It doesn't make sense.